Hello, my name is Don Martin. I am with thereasonablerealtor.com. That's thereasonablerealtor.com. It is a website, it is a blog. It's a place to get all the information that you might need regarding your house, regarding buying or selling houses, regarding maintaining houses. Fun website, nice place to be. I am the guy that's also trying to make this YouTube channel to go along with the website. I've got a plate full of stuff to do. You could help me if you would. Go to thereasonablerealtor.com. If you're right here, you might consider go ahead and clicking on this little red square and subscribing to this YouTube channel. Leave me a comment or a question down here, and I will respond to you just ASAP. Uh, there's a lot to get done here. I think that we have about 70 videos at this point. I am hoping to do a lot more. I'm urged to do a lot more as quickly as I can. So, they're going to be good, high quality videos. If I need to elaborate more on any certain points, please let me know what they are. I've been doing this for 36 years. I think I've got a couple of things to impart to you guys, and I'm anxious to do so. I'm hoping that you'll participate with me. Again, thanks for being here. I hope that you do subscribe, the little red square, and I hope you come back frequently, even if you don't subscribe. Thanks.